This is a bin activator, and this is used for smooth discharge of material from the silos. In lot of cases, you have observed that in silos, material gets stuck in the discharge and it is not flowing smoothly through the discharge. For this, we recommend you to use a bin activator. You can have a look at this bin activator. This is the flange that joins to the cone of the silo, and this is the portion that vibrates. This is the bottom flange that can be coupled with the discharge equipment, and these are the ribs that hold the bin activator in place. Now come this side. Now you can see this is the vibrating motor, and this is the bracket of that motor. This bracket is attached to this portion, and this is the rubber bellow, and this is also rubber bellow. Now when this is vibrating, this vibration is not transferred to this portion, and this portion is attached to the silo. So when this is vibrating, the silo does not vibrate, and only the portion that holds the material vibrates. Now you can see the inside of the bin activator. It looks like this, and here is the material. Here is the bed of the material. The material will be resting on this place. So when the material is not discharging, it will be forming a bridge here. So when we switch on this motor, this portion will vibrate and will discharge the material. Now let us see it in working. The motor vibrating. So now you saw how the bin activator works. So this is the best solution for the silos in which material gets jammed and material forms bridges, rat holes or pinholes, due to which the material does not discharge. You can use this type of bin activator and you can have a smooth flow of material from your silo.